Alright, so I kind of forgot to record a lot of this. It was a challenge getting the truck up because I don't have a low profile jack right now. So I had to use some wood, and also I'm alone and the truck don't run, so I had to push it actually uphill to get it up, and then yeah, anyway, it was a fight. Alright, so now I'm stripping down the front end. Pulled the bumper off. Bumper wasn't setting right. It was held up by zip ties. I figured out why, because there's only one hole holding each side of the bumper, so I'm gonna straighten that out. The grill piece is a little messed up. This centerpiece was cracked off, and possibly another one there. So that's off now. I'm about to pull probably the radiator. I got some of those bolts off. Cut all the zip ties off. Just trying to get in here. See, here's where the bumper was held up. They went above the headlight, or the turn signal there. Just trying to get as much of this out of the way as I can so I can go ahead and pull the motor. Alright, so I skipped a lot of video because I just kind of kept doing stuff. I think I have everything off. I've already went under the truck and loosened up the transmission mounts, and if I'm right, I should be able to go ahead and start pulling everything. So let's see what happens. So I forgot to record some steps, but here we are.
Okay, it's the end of day one, I guess, and I've did some of what I can for the most part. Anyway, yesterday I started just getting the truck off the ground. I had planned to, start partially pulling the motor, but everything just went fairly smooth. So, whole motor's out, transmission's out. One of the reasons I was pulling is because I have to get down in here, and I don't know if y'all can see that on the camera, but this is rusty, crusty. I might go to the junkyard today and pull and cut this section and get started on re-welding that end. But for now, she's out.